Hello loves, Karen Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you all a makeup tutorial that you can do in 10 minutes. I hope you like. So I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm just going to conceal my face. And I'm going in with my Fit Me Maybelline shade 310 and just doing my foundation. Next, I'm going with my LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm going to conceal under my eyes and over my lips, sides of under my cheeks, and on my forehead as well. And then I'm going in with my NYX Wonder Stick, and I'm just going to go in with the brown shade for my contour. I just like to do this before I go in and kind of contour more, and I'm just going to contour above on my forehead, under where I concealed, and on my nose. Now I'm just going to kind of blend in all of my areas where I just concealed. Blend it all in, just so you really get that in. I'm going in with LA Colors setting powder while I do that so that my makeup starts baking. Love to bake. Yes. That's my e.l.f. Contour palette. I'm just going in over the part where I contoured with the NYX and just giving it more dramatic contour. Now I'm just blending in that loose setting powder that I had on there, and yeah. And just blend it all in. Just blend that powder till you get it where you want it to be. Now I'm going in with a highlighting palette. I'm not sure the name of this, but there's a really good one that I like to use, and it's the best one that I've seen so far. It just really gives you that pop. I'm gonna try to look up the name and see what it is, because I really honestly don't know. That was my LA Colors lipstick. I'm gonna leave the name of that down in the description below. I'm just going in with like a shimmery gloss over that lipstick. And this is the finished look, guys. I was just really bored one night and decided to do this look, and I really hope you all enjoyed. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.